What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate a complete ebook for absolutely free using Claude. Let's get started. To generate our ebook for absolutely free using Claude, we're going to describe to Claude in the details the exact ebook that we'd like it to generate for us. So here I'm going to add a prompt. The detailed prompt, we paste it right here in order for Claude to generate our ebook for us. So here we're telling it you're an expert business author, editor, and designer. Create a premium publication quality ebook as a single self-contained HTML file that renders directly into the artifacts panel for preview. It should also work as a standalone file if open in any browser. So we're going to more details on the ebook. So we're telling it should read like a professionally published book with flowing paragraphs, a clean visual hierarchy, and generous white space throughout. And it needs to be polished enough to send to a client or prospect without any further editing. And here we're going to details about the book, what's the title, what it's about, the goal, and all these other details right here. Then we're going to details on the design of the ebook right here. Then we're including the details about what should be in each section, chapter, and in the overall ebook right here. So I'll paste these prompt down in the description, so you can just copy it and paste it in Claude. So to generate our ebook from our prompt right here, I'm gonna hit enter. Give it a second for it to generate our ebook for us. So here you can see we gave it this incredible prompt. Then it took a few seconds for it to generate our comprehensive ebook right here. Let us expand it to preview our book. So here you can see our ebook that it generated for us right here. This is really incredible. Look how beautiful the ebook is with all the different chapters right here. We got a total of 20 chapters. You can see it's well designed ebook with all the various chapters right here. This is incredible. It's a very impressive ebook that we generated using Claude automatically for free. So you can preview all the different chapters in the ebook. So the design is really impressive. I like it. So the ebook was on how to turn one-time clients into long-term recurring revenue. And you can see table of content right here. Chapter 1 is on why client relationships quietly decay after sale. You can see it's going into more details. What you learn in this playbook, structuring engagements for renewal friendly versus renewal hostile, spotting churn and risk early, running effective client check-ins, sample check-in framework. Chapter 6 is on a five-point client health checklist. Chapter 7 is on how to turn satisfied clients into referrals, case studies, monthly retention workflow, 5 principles to remember, the conclusion right here with a link for them to schedule a call. And then here you can see the resources, notes, and additional notes, and then the last page right here. This is really incredible. So we successfully generated this incredible ebook by prompting Claude right here. This is really impressive. Let us try generating another ebook. Now to regenerate a new ebook for absolutely free in Claude, we're going to paste in detailed prompts right here. Here we're including the title of the ebook. This time around we can try generating a shorter one. So here we're including the details on ebook, design, fonts, page order, and the output that we like the ebook. So here I'm going to hit send. Then we're going to give it a second for it to generate our ebook for us. So let's give it a second for it to do that. So here you can see it finished generating our ebook for us here. And then on the right, you can preview our ebook. You can see our comprehensive ebook right here. We decided to generate kind of like a shorter ebook this time around. This is really impressive. I'm really impressed with the designs in the ebook. This is really incredible. Look at that. This is really incredible. We already generated this ebook, a different topic. You can see all the different chapters in the ebook and the well-designed ebook here. So you can see the first page right here. So the ebook was on the AI agency operating system, how to automate client delivery, sales, and operation without adding more stuff. You can see the table of content. You can see the chapter 1, why agencies become operationally overwhelmed. Chapter 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 with all the 8, 9, 10, 13 with all the different topics. This is really incredible. Here. So now that Claude has really nailed what we want, we can tell it turn this into a scale. Can tell it turn this into a scale that we can use in the future to generate ebooks. From here, I'm going to hit enter. Let's give it a second for it to turn this into a scale, and we can go ahead and generate another ebook similar to this one right here that we generated using Claude. You can see this very beautiful looking ebook. So now you can decide to extend or expand the chapters, include more details to the chapters. So let us try generating a new ebook. Now to generate a new ebook, I'll paste these prompt right here and hit send. Let's give it a second for it to generate our ebook for us. Here you can see it successfully generated our 20-page ebook for a new topic. You can see right here. Let's preview the ebook. So here you can see our new well-designed ebook with all the chapters right here. This is really incredible. This is amazing. I mean, look how beautiful that ebook is. All you have to do is just download it. Here you can see all the different sections in our ebook. So this is the first page of our book. Here's the table of contents page. Here's the first chapter, why expertise alone doesn't build authority. Here's the second chapter. Third chapter, defining your niche and positioning. Fourth chapter, crafting a compelling value proposition. Fifth chapter, building an authority content strategy. Sixth chapter, creating content people remember. Seventh chapter is publishing consistently. Eighth chapter is the authority growth framework. Ninth chapter is building credibility through case studies and proof. 10th chapter is turning your audience into qualified leads. 11th chapter is common authority building mistakes. The other one is creating an entity authority roadmap. The other one is weekly visibility dashboard. The other one is 5 authority principles to remember. The conclusion right here, your authority is already compounding. And then chapter 16, we're recommending books, tools, and resources. 17th chapter is your personal action planner. And the last page is about the author. This is really incredible. So we successfully generated this incredible ebook. Similar to this one right here. Here. By prompting Claude right here. This is really impressive. So we can try generating one last ebook using Claude. To generate our ebook, here paste our prompt here and hit send. I'm going to give it a few seconds for it to create our ebook for us. So let's go ahead and do that. You can see it successfully generated our 20-page ebook right here from these prompts. This is incredible. So it shows a different topic, design, order, page order, conclusion, and the output. So here we can expand this to preview our new ebook. So here you can see the ebook that we generated for us right here. So the pages of the ebook. It's a very beautiful looking ebook that you can that you can sell to your audience at a significant amount of money. This is really impressive. This is incredible. Here. So here you can see the first page right here. Here's the second page with the table of contents. Here's the first chapter, why most professionals waste hours every day. Second chapter is AI productivity mindset. Third is the auditing your daily tasks. Fourth is finding automation opportunities. Fifth is AI for email meetings and scheduling. Sixth is AI for writing, research, and planning. Seventh is building a repeatable daily workflow. Eighth is the AI productivity system. 9 is automating personal administration. 10 is AI tools for collaboration and communication. 11 is common productivity mistakes. 12 is a weekly productivity theme. 13 is weekly planning dashboard. 14 is 5 productivity principles. 15th is you now have the system. The 16th chapter is recommended AI tools and resources. 17th is personal action planner. And the last chapter is about the author. This is really incredible. So we successfully generated this beautiful looking ebook automatically by writing this comprehensive prompt right here in Claude. This is how you can generate this beautiful looking ebook by prompting Claude over here. Now, if you'd like help automating manual tasks that you're currently doing in your business or your agency, just use the link in the description to schedule a call with me. On the call, we'll discuss into details on how I can help automate those manual tasks for you. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure you're subscribed to the channel and be on the lookout for the next video that will be dropping soon. But for now, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.